So now let's see how we can split text to columns inside of Google Sheets. So over here you can see that I got a blank Google Sheet, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to type in this is a bunch of data right here. So once I do that, what happens is that you can see that it is in a single cell, and if I want to split it up, I'm going to go around over here onto let's say for example data, and then I'm going to click on split text to columns. So once I do that, you can see that it says detect automatically the separator, but it has not detected it. So I'm just going to go around and choose the one from the drop down. So if I were to click on space, then you can see that it detects the space and divides the data according to the space. Similarly, if I have something like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, now comma are the separators. And now if I want to split the data, I'm going to go around into data right here. I'm going to go around into split text to columns, and there you go. It detected the comma right there. I can also select comma right here, and that is how it goes. I'm going to go around right here, and let's say I'm going to go for this right here for the straight slash this like this. And if I were to go around into data, and if I were to split text to column, now it cannot detect this. So I'm going to go around and go to custom detection right here and enter the same character right here, and there you go. It detects it as a separator, and now it has divided it as per the columns, as you can see right here. And that is how you can split text to columns inside of Google Sheets by choosing the separator as per what you wish. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.